Hello there. Welcome to extrudesign.com. In this video, we will talk about how to get started with LumaFusion. LumaFusion is a great tool for making videos. I personally use this software for making my videos. Let's get started. Let's open the LumaFusion. This is how the layout looks like. And this area is the timeline for the video clips. And this area is for the sources of the video clips, audio, whatever the input for your videos. And this is the preview block, which will help full for instant preview, without final render. This block is the toolbar kind of thing, which will have all the necessary tools here. Here you can actually change the layout. Just check out them once. But I like this layout very much. This help button actually helps a lot, which will label all the tools on the screen, since there is no labeling for the tools by default. In this leftmost corner, we can find the project's information. It will list out all the projects that we have created. And in there are a bunch of project options comes up. Create new project. Import old LumaFusion project. Duplicate project. Optimize and consolidate. Delete project. Okay, let's close this. Let's check out the sources option. In this we have so many sources that we can actually import the input data. I prefer files. We can map the folders from the Files app. Once we map, the offline content only will be available. Let us try to insert a clip onto the timeline. This is how you can scroll through the timeline. Pinch with the 2 finger to scale up or down the timeline. And yes, LumaFusion supports 6 video, audio tracks simultaneously and 6 audio-only tracks simultaneously. I know this is huge, but application runs smooth even with the 6 tracks. That's great. You can actually double-click the clip on the timeline to edit that clip individually with a separate user interface. Check out the options. We will discuss these in the next videos in detail. But it's just a heads up. Clip resize, fit, speed, sound, filters, etc. This is how you can give a quick start with LumaFusion. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified.